If you want to see how I did this look, continue watching. So for any makeup look that you are doing, you always have to make sure that the skin is prepped and ready to go. I just washed my face now and I added a little bit of toner. So now I'm going to go in with a serum, and I'm using the L'Oreal Revitalift filler, and I don't want to add it directly. And just make sure that it covers every inch of the skin, so that is looking very nice. So moisturizer to my skin, and I'm going in with the Nivea Creme, but I love using this on my skin as a day cream, or even as a primer when I start before I start doing my makeup, especially if it's something light. It's always nice to use it, so that looks much better. Now, before we go into primer, I first just want to go in with the brows Essence Brow Lifting Gel Set. So I'm going to add a little bit of this to a spoolie. Now I'm just going to take the back of the spoolie and just smooth it out. I like to take a little powder puff. This is the She Glam setting powder here. And we're going to take our powder puff and we're just going to go in like that. So it's basically just to make sure that there's no shine, so the product will actually stick to the skin. For now, we're going to leave the brows just like that. And I like to take my Essence Jelly Grip Hydrating Primer. It's not finished, I think I just laid on the side. So now you want to leave that on, let it dry until it gets nice and tacky. Should we do a little bit of a test and see how it grips? I think we should. Let's see if this will work. Fingers crossed. Skin tint in the SPF 30 to the back of my hand. Before very inexpensive. Yeah, a sponge, and just make sure that everything is seamless. So I'm gonna go in with my Essence Baby Cod Bronze in the color Vacation Vibes, the number 30. So I'm just gonna do 2 dots here, 3 dots there. I really love this bronzer because it blends so well, and you may think that it's pigmented, but it's blends more lighter than you would expect it to. Do you see that? Also is to blend it upwards towards the brow bone. So I'm gonna do the brows now, and I'm just gonna add, so this I got from Temu. It's a 4-in-1 tip brow. This is what it looks like. It looks a bit like a mess, but it's gonna come together. Just gonna go in with a different spoolie and just blend that out. Now it definitely looks like I have hair. Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. This is in the color Warm Toast, the number 50 in Warm Toast. And I'm going to use a flat brush. I'm going to add just a little bit. See the difference that it makes? Look there. Back with the brush that I used for the skin tint that I added, just to make sure that it looks blended. We're just gonna do some blush. This one, it's the She Glam Swipe Right. Add a two there, and I like to add a little bit to the top of my nose and just there. And then we're just gonna blend it. You see, it's not as pigmented as you may think. It just adds a little bit of flush to the skin. Let's add some more. Just another drop. I'm not blush obsessed at all. Concealer, Paris True Match, medium, in the color medium. Some here. And we're gonna add just a little bit there, and of course underneath the chin, some here. So we're not gonna blend it yet, we're just gonna make sure that it dries down a little. Okay, I think this is about dry, so I'm gonna take my sponge. It's actually blending beautifully. Is it too light? Also go in with the Camouflage Essence one, just a little bit here. Blend it. Do you guys see this? What the hell? A brush. That two concealers are not friends. Actually, they are. There was just something happening on this side. Oh, they blend so beautiful. Now I just want to go in with this brush that I used for the bronzer, and then I just want to go back in by the nose area, because I do see that since we've been blending the concealer, it kind of took away of the bronzing effect that we had going here. Back in with my sponge. And blend everything together. Blush, because I do feel like it has disappeared. There we go. I have to set all of this gorgeousness. I'm gonna go back in with my She Glam Banana Powder, loose powder. Back in with this right here. I'm gonna go directly into it. We're just gonna make sure that we add some, and then we remove the excess. Beat the face down. My Essence Mattifying Compact Powder in the color medium beige. The big brush for that one. It's fully covered, and remove excess. Use my She Glam Locked In Setting Spray. I have the Maybelline Colossal Long Wear Mascara. Before I do add mascara, we should definitely be doing a lip. So She Glam lip tint. So maybe I should just add some of this while we're doing the mascara, then it can dry down. I really love this one. Maybelline Blush. Is it doing anything? She's looking cute, cute, cute. Let's go in with our mascara. It's so beautiful. To take off this here. This is always so satisfying. Oh. Oh. So this is the it's actually an eye pencil. It's the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the color 20 Lucky Lead. And then I'm gonna add my favorite lipstick. It's the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink. The color Captivated. I mean, let's go on a date. So then to be the Essence Shine Volume Shine Lip Gloss. Just to add some gloss because so this is the end of the video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like and just share it with all of the girls. I really love doing this video with you guys, and please thank you again for watching. Bye.